he was just still a noob. Oh, come on. Let's see. Damn, she's gone.
Dusty.
Yeah, that shit's gone, bro. Look at that. That shit's hella gone.
Dang. So what is this thing called?
This is a clutch.
Oh, okay.
But these are the rivets that hold the fiber, you know, the two discs together.
What should it normally look like? Oh, maybe just grab the new one, right?
Yeah.
It will show you what the new one should look like?
Yeah. Original.
Original one. So it lasted a long time.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
It's not bad. Technology comes in. See, like, this is springs. See how bigger they are? How much bigger they are? It's going to be a more nicer grab type of thing compared to this old shit. So.
Cool. So, what rivets? Oh, you were saying the rivets got worn down?
Yeah. See, like, they were already, like, biting that shit.
Mm-hmm.
So, you see how deep those are?
Oh, yeah. Oh, so there's, like, a little pad, kind of?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's not like brake pad, right?
Pretty much. Oh, it's really close to the same material.
Mm-hmm. Why is it not so thick, then?
Because usually this composite is more, it's a little bit more, how would I say it? Like, the quality of it's a lot better, so it lasts a lot longer.
Yeah.
Compared to a brake pad. Because a brake pad usually has a mix of ceramic or carbon ceramic or, you know, whatever the hell it's made out of. This, on the other hand, has Kevlar.
Oh, yeah.
You know, strands in it. So it just retains the material a little bit better. Some are Kevlar, some are actual fiber. Like in this case, this is just ceramic, you know. See these specs?
Yep.
So on a brake, this is what you will find on a brake pad, traditionally.
Yeah.
So this is a ceramic, regular ceramic or asbestos mix type of thing. As compared to this is no, not asbestos, so it's not as toxic.
Isn't that, yeah, you know? I was like, isn't that shit smelly?
Yeah. So, and this is a lot better. You know, it's just going to last for a little bit longer. So.
Nice. Man, it looks cool.
Yeah, even the teeth on this are different. So check it out.
Yeah.
Watch, I'm bringing the other one. Even the teeth on that.
I don't even know how clutches work.
And this is heat treated too. You see how this coloration is?
Yeah.
It's heat treated. But it's heat treated that way because this is put on a press, right? Once this is all like assembled and everything, right? This is put on a press, and there's like a big ass fucking, like a big punch right here, and it just pretty much, it's like compressed, and then it makes this.
The ridges.
Yeah, this, you know, this shape.
Yeah.
And then that's how you get this new design.
Cool.
Compared to this. This is old school. You know? Like you can
so hopefully this thing should last a lot longer.
Oh, yeah.
That, right?
Yeah, dude. Like, you can just tell by just looking at how you see how these rivets are, like, way more heavy duty?
Yeah.
And these are, like, super skinny, wimpy guys, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. That's awesome. Technology.
Yep. And it's all made. So this is all the same height too. So there's no like
big difference.
Yeah, if there's like, you know, some people worry about. So on a racing clutch, that's where you do kind of need to worry because sometimes these are a little bit taller.
Yeah. And
they will rub in here, you know.
Yeah.
But you know, in this pretty much state, because it's all stock, it's not really the case. So.
Looks close to OEM. Yeah.
And you see how it has this big ass spring inside?
Yeah. You
know, it just, that spring helps these teeth stay a lot, like, pretty much like in place.
Yeah.
And you see these rivet matches right here, these rivets. So all of that just, you know, in combination with everything else, it just makes the whole ride feel a lot better.
That's good. I can't wait to see what it feels like.
The pedal might feel like softer or maybe a little bit harder. But the clutch is just going to grab a whole lot harder.
Cool. So I'll be able to do some good pulls.
Hell yeah.
Awesome.